morning, everyone. Thank you for being here today as we take time to honor and show our gratitude for the veterans who have served our country. To begin our assembly, please join me in welcoming Miss Thornsberry in leading the Star-Spangled Banner.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets ran where the bombs bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Veterans Day is a day to honor all who have served in the military, living and deceased, for their patriotism, sacrifice, and dedication to the United States. We live in an amazing country with countless freedoms, and this is because of our veterans. Thank you to all of our veterans for your courage, strength, and dedication in keeping us safe. We are thankful not only today for you, but every day. Now please welcome Dawson and Avery.
Since the Revolutionary War, over 50 million Americans have served in the armed forces to protect our freedom. Over 1 million Americans have died in wars fighting for our country.
Today, we want to remember and thank all veterans who have served during times of war as well as during times of peace. This year, we especially want to remember our troops who are serving to protect us from terrorism.
Good morning, friends. Please welcome the 5th grade choir as they sing the song, There's a Light. Okay, extra silence. And our eyes. Okay, deep breath.
There's a light burning bright called America, there for all to see. It can shine like a sign showing everyone flower with a powerful message. The poppy is born in memory of those who lost their lives in military service.
The poppies are a remembrance of the red flowers that bloomed on the battlefield where thousands of dead soldiers were buried during World War I.
In the poem Flinders Fields, the author compares the poppy flower to the soldiers who fought in World War I. All appeared in great numbers to help those in need.
Today, the red poppy is sold by the millions and the money is donated to veteran organizations around the world.
The poppy is a simple way to show support for those who have made the ultimate sacrifice in defending freedom across the globe. Thank you, veterans.
Next in our program this morning is the 6th grade choir singing I Hear America Singing.
Today, we especially want to thank the men and the women who have faithfully served the United States of America through service in military.
All have given their time and talents, and many have given their lives.
We are proud of you and all that you have sacrificed to ensure our freedom. This song is a small way to show our gratitude.
At this time, we're going to bring up the 5th grade choir, and we're going to sing a joint song called Thank You, Soldiers. Actually, we've done this one, either Mrs. Dottmeyer or myself have done this with the choirs almost every year for the last several years. And I think we keep pulling it out because it's just the words are very meaningful, and the kids seem to really relate to it as well. And so we hope you'll enjoy this. Thank you, soldiers.
Your
We would now like to recognize all of the branches of the military: the Army, Air Force, Navy, Marines, Coast Guard, and Space Force. We also honor the reserves for the Army and Air Force.
The Army represents the land, while the Navy and Coast Guard attend the water. The Marines act as a bridge protecting U.S. interests on land, water, interchangeably. The Air Force and new Space Force consider America's needs and vulnerabilities from the air.
At this time, we would like everyone to join in the singing of America, My Country 'Tis of Thee. Most of us have been practicing this in music class, and so it should be familiar. So just do your best to sing along. Why don't you please stand as we sing? And we're going to wait until we're quiet.
Good morning, everyone. That concludes our performance today. Let's give a round of applause to all of our participants. Okay, let's give one more round of applause for all of our veterans that we appreciate and love.